This is the street elevator at Michurinsky Avenue Metro Station, line 11 in Moscow. It's a piece of shit generic. Look, this hall button's very loose. -1. Capacity 630 kilograms, 8% solid 2020. It's so stupid that this station have crap just gen poos and shit generics. Here at -1. Back up to 0. Cab view. Basic piece of shit. Cheapo. Fixtures, Vega, Venus. Look at this. That button is loose too. Watch the door close. There it goes, and that's it. Motherfucking generic.